Hello everybody. In today's video I'll show you how to reset your Windows 10 password using Hiren's boot CD. So let's get started. You can see that I am not able to log into my user. If I click on reset password, I don't remember the security answers for all the questions, and I do not have this reset disk also. So what we will do is we will make a bootable USB with it, and then we will boot into Hiren's boot CD environment, and there we will reset the password. In fact, we will change the password and then we will try again. First we will download Hiren boot CD's ISO file. So open Chrome or browser of your choice and type hirensbootcd.org. Press enter, click on download, and click here to download the file. I have already downloaded the ISO file, so I will not download it again. We also need ISO to USB utility. This will create a bootable USB from the ISO file, so download it from here. I have also downloaded this, so I will not download this file. After the downloads are over, open ISO to USB setup file, double click on it to install, click on yes, click on next, accept, next, next, and then next. Click on finish. Click on browse to select Hiren's boot CD. It's located on my desktop, so click on desktop, reset password, and select Hiren's boot CD ISO file and click on open. Select your USB. I have used 14 GB USB. You can use 8 GB USB also. The file system will be FAT32, and click on burn. This will create the bootable USB. It takes some time to make bootable USB, so I will pause the video and will be back once bootable USB creation is over. So you can see that it's about to finish. Burn the ISO to USB has been completed successfully. Click on OK. Close this, and you can see that it has created all the files. Now what we will do is we will restart our system and boot into Hiren's boot CD environment by pressing F11 on the keyboard. My USB is inserted now. I will restart this computer. Click and restart. I will press 11 for the boot menu. I will select General U disk and press enter. So we have finally reached Hiren boot CD's PE environment. We will click on start button, click on all programs, go to security, click on passwords, and then NT password edit. We will click open. This will show a list of users which I have in my system. I will click on Tech Galaxy and click on change password, and I will give a new password over here. I'll click on OK and save the changes. Click on exit, restart your system and remove the USB. I will click on the username and I will enter my password here. You can see that I am able to log in now. So that's it for the video, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.